Okay, students. Now we'll study about the ionization constant, or you can say the ionic product of water. We know that when water molecule will dissociate, it will produce H positive and OH negative. This is called self-ionization of water. So molar concentration of product of both the product divided by the molar concentration of reactant. Now this is called as the equilibrium constant. Now this H2O is excess. When we will multiply with the K, we will get a new constant that is called Kw, ionic product of water. So this ionic product of water is equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and OH negative. Ionic product is equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and OH negative. This is called ionic product of water. At 298 Kelvin, Kw is always equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay, you can see that Kw is equal to H positive and OH negative. What is the meaning? The ionic product of water is equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and OH negative. Now you know that at 298 Kelvin, Kw is always equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. So in pure water, H positive is always equal to OH negative, you can see. So 10 raised to power minus 14 is equal to Kw, which is already equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and OH negative. So you can say that H positive and OH negative both are equal to each other and equal to 10 raised to power minus 7. So ionic product of water, or you can say Kw, is equal to H positive, molar concentration of H positive, molar concentration of OH negative is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. Okay, so this was all about the ionization constant and ionic product of water. Now next is, what is pH? pH means potence hydrogen. Potence means power. Power of hydrogen, or you can say power of H positive ion. pH is always equal to negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. In solution, H3O positive molar concentration, or you can say H2O molar concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus X. This X is called pH. So pH of the solution is X. So now, depending upon the pH, we can make a one pH chart. We can make a one pH, what is called a pH table we can make. In that one, we will take the value from 0 to 14. And that 0 to 14 will identify that which is the value of acid, which is the value of base, which is for neutral. So below 7 it is acidic. If the pH value is below 7, it is acidic. If the pH value is above 7, like if the any solution value is 14, so that will be pH value will be for a strong base. If any solution pH value is 1 or 2, that means we are talking about the strong acid. If the pH value is 7, it means we are talking about the neutral solution. So that was all about the what is called pH and ionic product of water.